We're always looking for tools to combine and keep track of your personal and professional obligations. However, when other digital solutions fail to strike the right mix between your activities and easy-to-use, flexible scheduling software, we will show you an online scheduling tool that lets you manage several schedules and increase your productivity. In this video, we will present to you Calendar, a time management and appointment scheduling tool that gives you complete control over meetings while simultaneously increasing productivity. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for you and your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. With Calendar as a guide, you can better arrange your time and make smarter decisions. You don't have to endlessly communicate back and forth to find the best time to meet. You can also add native events or events from your Google or Outlook calendars to keep track of all your meetings in one place. Plus, it's easy for anyone to select and arrange a meeting on your calendar. You won't have to worry about conflicting meetings. Simply send your attendees a link to your scheduling page, and they'll be all set. This excellent platform also has a smartphone version. It enhances productivity and time management when traveling. The Calendar dashboard allows you to see and link other calendars, create and amend events, and share your schedule. Calendar provides a variety of perspectives to see your schedule in a way that works best for you. It doesn't matter how you look at this tool, you'll always have a unique point of view on your activities. Viewing your calendar opens up a world of possibilities for how you might use this platform. For example, the Map View feature allows you to see your route throughout the day and make the most of your travel time. You can examine exactly how much time you spend in specific meetings or locations using Calendar Analytics. In addition, you can keep track of who you're spending your time with. Whether it's lunch meetings, coffee discussions, or weekly stand-ups, Calendar allows you to plan your days around them. Furthermore, the meeting distribution tool lets you see how much time you spend on each sort of meeting. With Calendar Contacts, you can easily keep track of pals, invite them to events, introduce them to coworkers, and arrange a time to hook up. Calendar Contacts allows you to schedule any meeting, from lunch with coworkers to a conference call with clients. Additionally, integrating your contacts in Calendar will enable you to invite visitors in seconds. Your contacts will sync across your accounts when you upgrade to a pro account. You'll need to deal with one database to track all of your communications, whether they're on your computer or not. To keep up with today's worldwide, fast-paced teams, Calendar is an excellent tool for setting up team meetings. With a few clicks, you can schedule an appointment with all of the people you need to meet with. Calendar also ensures that attendees have responded to meeting invitations by gently following up so that the event can be confirmed as early as possible. Thanks to this fantastic solution, global teams can easily cooperate and connect, which takes care of availability across time zones. Calendar is not a tool for personal and corporate use. The platform enables institutions and teachers to establish event types for meetings, tutoring sessions, or conferences, and include your calendar link in the syllabus you distribute on the first day of class. Even better, colleges and universities can include calendar links for all departments on their websites for more straightforward navigation. The days of exchanging emails are over. Additionally, students have a central location to keep track of due dates, meetings, and other essential activities. Keep track of all your meetings and appointments using Calendar by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers. And don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.